It's black. It's a simple color and it's real. Yeah. Black. Who likes black? Yeah, that's me. Hey friends, you just landed on the Illy planet of our solar system. Are you ready for snow to happen in Colombia? A movie called Encanto. The family called Mariels. And this is Isabella. Umbrella. She's the leader of the family. And we have Luisa. She's so strong. She can lift up the whole roof. And we have Mirabelle. We glued her already because it was hot glue gun because my mom had to help me because it was hot. And we have is Antonio and Peppa. Antonio can speak to animals. What you said, Pico? Okay, let's get started then. Step 1. We're going to put this on the top first because we have to put the water. Step 2. You have to put this in. About Bruno, no. We don't talk about Bruno. Many knows a cloud in the sky. Cloud in the sky. We just need a little bit more. And we're done. Oh. Now we're going to the glitter colors. First, I'm going to start with this pink. There's pink. Ooh, go pink. It's like sky's color. The next color I'm going to choose is blue. Who likes blue? That's me. Yep. There we go. And the third color is red. Who likes red? Me, like Marshall. One more color. It's purple. It's like the same color as pink. We're done. Done. That was the last color. We're gonna put her in. Squeeze in tight. I think I need help for mommy. The shirt. We can put it on. Shake it. That's how you make a snow globe. Thanks for watching. You can do it yourself. Snow globe with somebody else. You can do it at home too. We don't live family, money girl. Don't want the family, money girl. No, family, baby. I'll just go magical about the family, money girl.
Planet Illy, this the center of the universe. Life is beautiful, and we can make it work. Gather round, let's have a conversation. This the place to be. You can